Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you another gem that I made. And in this gem, what it will do is it will audit any tests, or I suppose any assignment, or pretty much anything you upload, to check to see how well it matches and correlates to the state standards. So I've gone to the Gemini web app. I've clicked on the gems icon here. Here are all of my gems. What I'm going to show you today is Standards Auditor. I'll post the link to this in the description. I'm going to use one I've already got made, and the example I'm going to use comes from Algebra 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload a test just to see how well it matches the Indiana academic standards for Algebra 2. Add from Drive. I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to tell it to audit. And what this is going to do is it's going to read the questions on the test, and it's going to assess which Indiana academic standard from Algebra 2 the question is attempting to cover. Then it's going to assess whether or not it actually does. And if it doesn't, it's going to suggest a way that the question can be rewritten in order to cover that standard better. So this should generate a report. It's not going to rewrite the test. With all of these things, one of the things I wanted to make sure I included was for the user to understand how they can update their document and make it better, but not actually do it for them, because that kind of takes the agency away from the teacher themselves. For all of these changes, I just want to make sure that teachers have the ability to read them, assess them, and determine which ones they're actually going to implement and which ones they're not. So you can kind of see it thinking right here. Algebra 2 Standards Auditor Custom Gem. You'll see some stuff pop up down here as it's working. And eventually it should generate a report that lets me know how well my test questions actually correlate to Indiana state standards for Algebra 2. Now, the nice thing about this is going to take a couple of minutes, but to do this yourself and to check the standards and have the discussions maybe with your team about, well, does it cover this standard? Does it not? This just takes a few minutes compared to what could be several meetings, and it gives you a place to start off from. It's not like you have to do this, and it generates the nice little report. Now, because it generates this report using the Canvas feature, you can export this to a Google Doc. You can actually edit it in the Canvas itself, but it might be better to export it to a Google Doc first. But you get a nice little table here of, all right, is it aligned? Is it not aligned? And if it's not aligned, how could you rewrite it so that it is better aligned? Is there no standard at all that seems to fit what this question is asking? Now, one of the reasons I wanted to make sure it didn't rewrite the test for you is even though questions 9 through 12 and 13 may not be specifically aligned to an Algebra 2 standard, it may still be a good question to ask on a test. And if the gem rewrote the test for you, it would either ignore those questions and get rid of them, or rewrite them in a way that you weren't expecting. This is why I think it's important to give you the opportunity to understand what questions maybe should be rewritten, but leave that work up to you and your professional judgment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.